Welcome to Naseems Accountants YouTube channel. You've run payroll and submitted your full payment submission, but when and how do you actually pay HMRC? When PAYE payments are due. After each pay period, your payment must reach HMRC by the 22nd of the following month. If you're paying by check, it must arrive by the 19th. For example, if you paid employees in tax month 4, from the 6th of July to the 5th of August, your payment must clear by the 22nd of August. Important deadline rules. If the deadline falls on a weekend or bank holiday, your payment must clear on the last working day before, unless you're using faster payments. Missing deadlines can result in interest and penalties, so timing is essential. Accounts Office Reference. When making payments, always use your Accounts Office Reference number. This is a 13-digit reference issued when you register as an employer. If your payment is very early or late, you must add 4 extra digits to show the correct tax year and month. Late or early payments. If your payment is early, before the 5th of the following month, or late, after the 5th of the next month, you must include the correct tax year and month in your reference. This ensures HMRC allocates your payment correctly. Ways to pay HMRC. HMRC recommends the following payment methods: direct debit, online bank transfer, faster payments or CHAPS, debit or corporate credit card. Faster payments and CHAPS allow same-day or next-day clearing, but always check your bank's cut-off times. Note: corporate cards may incur a fee. Personal debit cards are free. Personal credit cards are not accepted. Processing times. First-time direct debit, allow 5 working days. Future direct debit payments, 3 working days. Bax payments, 3 working days. If you have fewer than 250 employees, you can also pay by check, but it must reach HMRC by the 19th. Paying HMRC on time is essential to avoid penalties and keep your payroll running smoothly. If you need help managing PAYE, payroll, or HMRC payments, book your free consultation with Naseems Accountants on 01217714161 or visit www.naseems.co.uk. We're here to support your business every step of the way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more updates that matter to your business.